friends, it's Carmen. We're out and about, and look where we're at. One of my favorite places to come. I know it's yours too, so I'm going to take you inside and we're going to check out the clearance section and see what they have going on in there. So let's go. Little, big ones. You gotta go to the grocery store for that.
Or an actual pumpkin patch.
Yeah. Oh, they sell them now and already in terracotta pots already. These are nice. Oh, it's a nice string of bananas there. It's $10.98. This is cute. It's very farmhouse style. That's so cute back there. Little arrangements. These are becoming so much more popular as hanging plants. Such a durable plant, the elephant's food. I really like this variegated one, but you have to be careful. It will get sunburned quickly with those, the variegated one. Nice big crown of thorns. Those are $24.98. Okay. Let's see what's on the other side. This big jade. They have Christmas inside?
Yeah.
Oh, they're starting to bring out really nice pots. This is kind of unique. It's like a
it's a
can.
can, yeah.
I like
cool.
this. That's cool.
Rooting for you.
What's your point? Oh, these are really cool. I like this. It's nice. Have a nice selection there. Succulents are looking good. And the newer pots. Let's take a look at these. Oh, I love these arrangements. This terracotta pot. It's so nice. It looks like it's missing something there. This trigona, look at the red on it. It's just so beautiful. This is really nice. $30 for these. These are $4.48 this size. Pint. Really nice. These look really good, really healthy. I don't see any that are dying or in bad shape. So they must be really taking good care of them as far as not overwatering them. At least somebody here knows what they're doing as far as the watering. Puntias. Those turn a beautiful purple in the sun. Puntias. Look at that. Look how popular these variegated elephant's food is becoming. They have a lot of the hanging pots up here. There's some arrangements. These are nice because you get so many in one pot. And we're in about $18 of this one. Getting into the larger ones. $17.98. sallow. It's got a lot of pups on the side. Doing a lot of growing. Their section for cactus and succulents has grown. It used to be just this table right here. I like these. These are similar to what we saw at Home Depot. And these are $29, $30. I like the pot though. And these are the drop ones. You just drop them in a pot. These are $22.98. They have a variety. Look at that. Euphorbia, Indian corn on the cob. So they have a nice assortment of them, and some of them have draping succulents. Barrel cactus, little ones. These take forever to grow, but they'll last you forever too. This roughly Echeveria. Echeveria Gorgon's Grotto. It's $20. Brilliant color on it. Love it. Ooh, look at this Euphorbia. Look at all those pups on there. And this is a Euphorbia Horrida Major Nova. Very cool. Could do a lot of propagating, a lot of babies taken off of that. Euphorbia Medusa back there. These are the same ones that we saw at Home Depot in 1998 here. Look at this, how cool. It started off as variegated, but then it's growing green. Isn't that cool? That's really neat. Look at this one too. It's like it's losing its hybrid and growing the green. Lots of euphorbias. Lactea cristata. Leaves needle, just like the one I just transplanted. Ooh, look, that one has got a whole bunch on the side there. That's so cool. I found out that these have tiny, tiny little pokes on them. I should have worn gloves when I did that. I was picking out little pokes for days after that. This Euphorbia Interopha. Very cool. Look at that color coming out there. Plantia. How furry that is. You can almost brush it. That's so cool. Oh, and they have a really big one over here. Getting into the 5-gallon ones now. Some Plantias. Look at this. That is so cool. I can see the name without getting myself poked. Plantia. Just says specimen. Doesn't give it an exact name, but it's $50. That is so cool. I've never seen that. Madagascar palm. So good. And they do have a lot of the spring flowers. Well, fall flowers here, but I guess it would be spring everywhere else because the falls are so mild here that everybody plants what would normally be planted in spring. So let's go inside, see what's happening inside. Oh, here we go. Oh, and look at that. Christmas. Christmas, Christmas. Yeah, look back there. That's the clearance section. Not much happening in the clearance section here at Lowe's. Oh, little emojis for Halloween. Look how cute. Dia de los Muertos. That's pretty. So, let's take a look here. They've got some decor. Looks like some pines. Different pines. Crotons. I stay away from those. ZZ plant. Different bucket. No, this is a... It's not a different bucket. This is a glenema. Chinese evergreen. Ferns, golden pothos, money trees, Fabian stump, Aralia. Oh, they've got some, look at these. These are little bonsai trees. Look how cute. And they have their desert roses inside. These are gonna be going into dormancy here soon. Come November, you won't be watering them until February here. But they're in good shape. The caudex on that. Listen, big. $15, that's not bad. Yeah, look at this. Look at the sad state of affairs here. Well, I guess it's a good thing that they don't have too much in clearance, because that means their plants are thriving. That not a lot of them are dying. We can look at it that way. But so much for buying clearance plants today. Let's see what else they got. Got some dracaenas, nice ones. Nice some big ones. More money trees. Lots of ferns, which always reminds me of my mom. She used to have these ferns in our backyard in California. And they would just grow so big. Beautiful color on these golden pothos. This nest. Phlebodium aerium. Like a bird's nest. Wow. It's banana plants and palms. Huge Chinese evergreens too. We've got some really big plants. Look at that, $25 for these big ones. That's not bad. That's a good deal there. 3.5 quart $25. Begonias. Oh, now these calla lilies have seen better days. Anthuriums. Beautiful phalaenopsis. Usual colors that they have. Let's see. I don't see any Hoyas or anything like that. I see other gardening folk do. They're videoing another Lowe's and Home Depot for Hoyas. Sorry, I'm trying to think and talk at the same time. For Hoyas, and I just don't see them here. It's nice fiddle leaf. It's $30. Dracaena, cornstalk. So the day I find a Hoya in one of these, either here or Home Depot, I will probably just like faint or something. I've not seen one here. I don't know if it's just because we're Arizona or what, but these golden pothos are really nice. Look how long this is. These are $16.98, but they're in beautiful condition. Oh, and these have the little wick. They water them through a wick. Nice pink arrowhead. Here's your different Bacchias here. Dumb cane. Peace lilies. Some smaller plants. They are in good shape. Somebody's been taking care of them here, because there's hardly any plants in the clearance section. Means they're not dying. Zebra plant. I'll never buy this again. So needy. If you have the time to take care of it every single day and not let it, you know, wilt at all, this is the plant for you. But this is very finicky plant. A lot of the plants have new leaves growing. Nice big little leaf there. Oh, somebody put some little succulents here, but I don't know how well these would do in this because it's two different types of watering that they would need. This is a plant that needs moisture, and these are plants that don't need moisture. So I don't know how long that'll last. Snake plants are nice. $30 for their snake plants.
You see the lilies?
There's another Chinese evergreen there. Those are a hardy plant, the Chinese evergreens. And some more decorative. So they've got some nice things going on, healthy plants, some sales. I like the new pots that they're getting for the cacti and the succulents, but really no clearance plants, which is good and bad, I guess. I guess we can look at trees before I trip over something here. A real Christmas tree. I like artificial Christmas trees. What about you guys? Let me know down in the comments below if you're a real tree or artificial tree team, because I've picked up plenty of needles in my days with real trees, and I have been for the last few years with artificial trees. It's just so much easier. And we put ours up in November, really before Thanksgiving. We start putting Christmas out. Used to be when the kids were young, we would do it Thanksgiving weekend, and then I just started doing it sooner and sooner, as did all the stores. And now, you know, we were in September and they already had their Christmas stuff out. But every year they come out with more nice things. You know, they are definitely starting to compete more with Hobby Lobby and Michael's. Well, I think that's it for today, friends. Not a successful clearance trip, but my local Lowe's is definitely taking care of their plants. Very healthy plants. They've got some new pots in, new decor for their succulents, so that's nice. I would definitely check that out. Until next time, I think next trip we're taking is to Ikea, and we'll see what we find there. Have a blessed day, friends.